Chaos doesn't need to be eliminated. It needs to be met with something steady. And steady doesn't mean perfect. It means present. And in regards to kids being quiet, this can be a quiet activity, but it doesn't have to be. I find often there'll be moments of quiet when we're working together, but it's such a beautiful opportunity for them to start opening up about their day. Yeah, hearing about what's going on for them and what their choices are, why they've chosen that page. It's a really great conversation starter. So when I created the Shine On Mindful Colouring book, it wasn't just a craft activity, it was an offering and a way to support families in creating moments of pause, moments of connection, moments of co-regulation. Not grand gestures, just small intentional practices.